Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary. In this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday, October the 11th, 2022. I've already done two puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. Binary puzzle number. This will be number 5313. 5313. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And now, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now I need to think here. Now I need to think. Alright. Comparing. We have only one row. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, completed columns. And I can compare this column and that column. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, 0, 0, empty box. So we need to switch these to the digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. And now, well. This column, this row, and that row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box. We need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Okay. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Well, I think we need to compare again. Well, no. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright, double 1. Here no, there no. Well, seems like I need to compare again. Do we have a 101 here? No, I cannot compare this column. How about this double 1 here? Yeah, double 1. Oh, yeah. Look, this column And the second column, empty box. 0011110011 empty box 00. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s, and 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Well. I like this one, yes. 3 times. You need to compare. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.